Gog and Magog are mentioned in the Quran and Hadith as two tribes who will appear near the end times. In the past, Hadrat Dul-Qarnayn built a wall to trap Gog and Magog behind it. They are two tribes mentioned in the Quran, Surah Al-Kahf 18:94-100, and Hadith as fierce and powerful nations. They are said to be the descendants of Adam. They will emerge from the north, specifically from the direction of Turkey or Central Asia. They will break through the wall. Gog and Magog will ravage the earth, causing destruction and chaos. They will drink all the water of the earth and then turn to the sea. They will kill many people, and their bodies will decay, causing a terrible stench. They will also destroy crops, animals, and infrastructure. Jesus will return to earth, and people will seek his help against Gog and Magog. He will pray to Allah for their destruction. Allah will send a worm that will kill Gog and Magog. Their bodies will decay, and their stench will be so terrible that people will seek relief. Allah will send rain and birds to dispose of their bodies. The earth will be cleansed of their evil. Peace and security will return to earth. Jesus will rule with justice and fairness. The world will experience a period of prosperity and happiness.